What's up, traders? So let's do a full multi-time frame analysis of British pound US dollar. This is an updated analysis that I made yesterday. So make sure you watch till the end. Now, before I begin the analysis, make sure you smash the like button and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. With that being said, let's begin our analysis for British pound US dollar. Now, British pound US dollar, as you can see that, as I mentioned, when this price was here yesterday, what did I say? That if British pound US dollar is break this level of resistance, that means it will act as a support, then it could be a false breakout and we might see British pound US dollar is dropping down. Now this is the 4 hour time frame. As you can see, now what we see, the last 4 hour candle, it's a strong bearish candle, tested this broken support again as a resistance, and see that the price rejected. So what we are seeing, that British pound US dollar on the 4 hour created a false breakout to the upside, and maybe we might see that British pound US dollar finally moving down. Now this is the lower time frame. Let's see the higher time frame confluences to see in fact which way British pound US dollar may be heading. Let's see monthly. Now monthly time frame, British pound US dollar is highly bearish. What you see, that this is overall a bearish market structure. This is the monthly time frame, and we see that on the monthly there has been a head and shoulder pattern has been created, and then British pound US dollar started to move down, creating a series of lower high and lower low every month, which is a monthly price action pattern. Now last month we saw a doji. Now after this kind of doji in the trend line of a channel, that means that British pound US dollar creating a downward channel and moving, we can expect a bigger move to the downside, and that is what's happening this month. We saw a big move and followed by a retracement to the upside, and now again we can see that continuation to the downside. So higher time frame is supporting what is happening on the lower time frame. Let's see on the weekly as well. We saw that after this green move to the upside, this current week the price went up, penetrated this level of support here, and see that the price again coming back to the downside, testing this support as a resistance here, and we see now a rejection towards the downside. Now let's see how we can trade this going to the daily time frame. Now daily as well, we saw that British pound US dollar on the daily as well, the price basically tested this previous. If we draw this here, what we saw, that on the daily time frame it's clearly seen that there was a double top formation here, so in this way, and we see that this double top has been broken, tested this one as a support, now resistance, and now dropping. So this is what I always, when I do analysis, what I mentioned, that when you see a reversal pattern like that, you can expect this support to be tested as a resistance and then rejecting towards the downside. So what we see, that British pound US dollar has done the same as we expected, and also we see it broke the 20 period moving average here on the daily and then dropped. So all these confluences is telling this British pound US dollar is bearish. Now go back to the 4 hour or base time frame where we will be entering a trade. Now this is the situation. Last 4 hour candle basically was a candle that crossed the high, tested this previous support, this is the resistance, broke above, created false breakout, came back below, now tested again as a resistance, and we see that primarily now dropping. So from here we could potentially see a big move to the downside as it has created a false breakout and also grab the liquidity. Now what is the opportunity to trade is from this level. That's what we will be doing. As you see that there is a long doji here, so in this move there are two candle created a pattern here creating a doji. Now from this place we might enter a trade, keeping our entry here, stop loss above all this high, and we will target at least to this level, which can give us at least 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button for me, and also don't forget to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.